This is another amazing episode that I'm going to do with these nice guys over here. It's about our relationship talks. So right on campus, I have with me
Also, Elizabeth.
Owusuwa and okay, this is Steven, this is Lizzie, right? And
Yeah.
I'm Jomolen. Okay, the question is simple. What quality do you consider in a guy or a lady before you propose to the person?
To me, I want my lady to be respectful, intelligent, and maybe God fearing. No, God fearing, not as a maybe.
Okay,
It's a must. She
okay.
should be God fearing.
Okay. The person should be God fearing. Okay. What do you think, guys, or what do you think you consider before accepting a proposal?
Okay. For me, I want a guy who is handsome, something like that, and responsible and God fearing too.
Oh, okay. Meaning, so I want to ask this. What do you think will make a partner cheating in a relationship? What do you think will make your partner cheat on you in a relationship?
Okay, to me, lack of communication.
Okay.
Yeah. When you don't have time for your partner, true that, like, if someone gets that opportunity to give the person that attention, it could be possible that the person will cheat on you.
Okay. What about you?
Mm, when you don't do your responsibility as a guy, then you start giving her attitude, like comparing her to other girls. She can start cheating on you when she gets someone who will do better than you are doing.
So right now, this is just a relationship. So when you're talking about responsibilities, are you trying to tell me that you, the guy, have to give the lady money, do certain stuff for the girl?
Not always, but as time goes on, and since you are with her, you should provide something for her.
Do you think guys should do that? They should take the responsibility of you.
Not full responsibility, but some petty things.
What are those stuff that you're thinking about that they should
Oh,
take?
maybe once a while, like you can give the girl some small amounts just to take care of herself. But like ladies buy pad, panties, like all those stuff. So far as you are with her, you have to do
Some
it.
small thing.
Yeah, but not. It's not by force. If
Okay.
only you are willing to
So
do that.
if I'm with a lady and I feel like I'm not going to give the lady anything, w- should that be a normal thing for, let me say, that kind of lady that I am with? So let me say I'm dating with you, but then I'm not willing to give you anything because I know that it's just normal dating, and you have a parent. Therefore, your parents are those to take full responsibilities of you. So for me, I'm not going to give anything to you, the lady, or to the guy. What do you think is wrong about this?
For me, it's not normal. So far as you are with me, and by all means, I give you something like.
What do you give me?
Oh, by all means, we.
So that is what you give
Yeah,
me.
yeah. So far as you are with me and you enjoy something from me, you have to also do something for me.
No, but you too, they enjoy that. You dey enjoy it.
Sure, for sure, but okay, we don't like someone to see your lady to be not really nice, or we have to make sure that, like, when you are working with the lady, someone will say, oh, Charlie, your girl is nice, this something like that. So you have to make sure that you provide for the girl for her to.
But the girl has parents.
I know, but I have my. Then you have to go to them and ask.
Okay, what do you think shows that your partner is flirting with another guy?
When she starts giving you excuses, when you call her baby, then she'll tell you, please let me call you back. I'm closing the fridge.
Wool up, nigga. Wool up, wool up, wool up. Just wool up.
Please let me call you back. I'm combing my hair. When she starts
Ah,
giving you those like
Those excuses.
excuses,
and
it should
also,
clearly tell you that she
Flirting
has
with you.
found someone.
yeah,
Okay.
when she stop complaining, that's one too. I mean, some ladies like complain. Maybe, baby, now like you are giving me attitude. Some when you just see that the lady just stop doing that, like, just forget it.
No. I don't get what you're saying.
You
I don't
don't
get.
get
No,
it.
no, 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 no.
Okay,
Why?
maybe like let's assume you are my guy, and at the beginning we were just like we were close,
Okay.
but now you give me attitude. When I call you, you'll be like, oh, I'm busy, I'll call you back. as time goes on, I will just tell myself that I have to stop worrying you because it's like you don't have time for me again. Do
Okay.
you understand?
Okay.
So when you realize that like you have to come back to me, it's that time that me too, I will just be giving you attitude. Maybe you call me, I'll tell you, oh, I'm busy, I'll call you back, something like that. So
Okay. Do you?
it will
Okay.
probably to be like I'm seeing someone else.
Oh, okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. Do you think it's okay for guys to sponsor on a lady who was not doing the something with the lady? You know, some ladies will be like, "It is not time. We can only do that something unless we are married." Do you get? So, in such a situation, do you think such guys should continue spending on the lady?
No, I don't think so. Because the thing is not about you having sex with her alone, but it's about love you have for her.
Okay.
If only you love her and she's not allowing you to have sex with her due to some reasons, it's okay. You can provide for her at the right time. Everything will be okay.
What do you think about that?
Sure, you can provide for it.
Whilst the person is not allowing you to do the
By all
same,
means, you do it.
because you're also a human being, and therefore you can feel that
But
kind of
you've
stuff.
agreed to it. When you came, I told you, and you said yes. So you have to
So okay,
you
when
have to go by my rules.
what of if I say that, oh, if that is the case, then I'm gonna stop giving you that until the day we marry.
Fine.
Will you be okay for it?
Yeah.
Sure.
No, because you didn't go in because of sex. You
But
went
it's
in
part
because
of the game.
it's part of the game. But the thing is, you said you love her. When you approved her in the first place, you didn't say I want to have sex with you. You said I love you. That's what you told her. So if the love is there, I think the sex is part of the game, and surely it will come.
So meaning the person should continue doing that.
Yeah.
Hey, Charlie, this thing there, I know they buy this
You won't do
idea.
it.
I know they buy this
You
idea.
won't do it.
Okay, you are saying it.
No.
So
What about you? You won't do
oh,
that.
for me, I feel like it's a cheat for me to do that. Because the fact is that as far as I'm paying, therefore, I'm a human and therefore I'll feel for that.
But
So
when you came, I told you that like we won't do it unless
yes.
until and you said you've agreed to it, so you have to.
But then what will you do if I came and I was like, if that's the case, then I can't be with you. Then meaning definitely I'm going to lose you. You get it?
Yeah.
So the best thing for me to keep calm in a way is that I have to just go by your rules. We know as time goes on, you are human, therefore you change your mind. You get it? And you make me chop that thing. You get it? But right now you are like, so at least you have to at least change your mind so that we
And
do it.
and I won't change my mind. So what will you do?
Okay, that is you, ladies. And will you like to tell your partner when he cheats on him or her?
Depending on um the condition we are like sometimes you can cheat and you'll be like you call the guy and tell him yeah willingly maybe he won't ask you but you will tell him.
Yes. Will you like to tell your partner when he cheats on you?
Nah, I will never do that.
You
Why?
never do that. Why?
Why should I tell her?
Because ladies are some way when you tell them that Charlie, this what's happened and I had an affair with your friend, Charlie, the Japai.
She will stop trusting you.
For me I'll be cool with it.
You'll be cool with it.
Sure.
So what if your best friend cheats on you with your guy?
I won't do because she
What are you going
likes
to do?
him, that's why she.
So you just leave your best friend
Sure.
and you quit the relationship.
Yeah.
Why? It just happened and was once.
If the guy is able to give me a reasonable
Answer.
answer, then maybe I will take him back. If it's like, but lady, sometimes the guy will not even come for you. Like the way the lady will just go to the guy. Yeah, for that one, I know that maybe it's not your fault, so I'll still be with you. But it's like intentionally you went to her and proposed to her, like how? For that one, they know.
In relationship, maybe you might see something to that your friend that, oh, this my guy, the way.
I only told you. I didn't ask you to go and taste
So
it.
the lady want to come and testify what you are saying.
Then
is true.
just continue with him.
The thing is, I will never fight over a girl with another guy
Yeah.
because the guy didn't force the girl. If the girl loved me, she wouldn't have gone for another guy. So if I see her with another guy, there's no way I'll fight because she doesn't love me.
So therefore, you are going to quit the relationship.
Yeah, I'll
Sure.
go my way so that she will look for what she wants.
Okay, Charlie, guys, this is what they are saying. They are going to quit the relationship. I think you've enjoyed this amazing episode. Tell us your social media handle so that
Okay, Facebook, Nana Abena, and Snapchat too is Nana Abena DH. So you can.
okay, your social media handle.
Oh, 57 on Facebook, Twitter 57, and Instagram the same 57.
Okay, Charlie, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure that you comment below for us to know what exactly went well in this video and the kind of enjoyment that you had in the video. We know that we are going to satisfy you with an amazing content every day. Each week, we are going to Charlie blow your mind with content. So make sure that you hit on the subscription button there, comment, like, and do what? Share the videos for everyone to know what we are doing on this channel. Any words for your guys out there? Anything for you guys out there?
So shout out to any senior one out there.
Okay, okay. Shout out to any senior man out there. Shout out to
That's my best friend Lucy. I love you and Ogidi.
yeah, big guys, big guys, big guys.